Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 20th, and this is my recap of the top 8 videos of the day. And gold came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, if you are following along with my gold videos, you probably had an amazing not long today. I said this morning that this looks like a 1, 2, 3, it looks like a wave 4, and that it was probably going to go up and make a wave 5. So it looks like it played out exactly as we planned. Now it might end up drifting up a little bit more, so don't take what I say as going short right away, but at some point I do think it is going to go down, probably break the low of wave 4, making some sort of an ABC of B, which would be a crescent to the move up, wave A, and eventually I think we'll see another uptrend similar to this uptrend for the wave C to make that ABC of wave B. Like I said, don't try to go short right now. I would prefer to go down to a time frame where this wave 5 is a trend, and then look for a break of structure of that trend before you start looking for shorts. But anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.